What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon from JayveeTV, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I'm back with a new artist on my channel. Today I'll be checking out an artist called Peter Gabriel. Alright, now this is a name I see pop up a lot on my channel, and the song that was recommended the most is called Sledgehammer, man. So to end this video, guys, I'm finally going to be checking it out. And yeah, man, I'm excited to hear it, man. So we're going to jump straight to it. I already got the video pulled up. I got my headphones on, and we're going to dive right in, man. Peter Gabriel Sledgehammer. Let's see what he can bring. So it's a sperm. Hey, that came in pretty smooth, I'm not gonna lie.
Going up and down, all around the bends. You could have a thunder car pumping. This amusement never ends.
Hold on, man. Hey, first of all, I'm gonna say, guys, this song came in smooth as hell. And in the beginning, like it showed the sperm and it showed the egg. So I'm guessing like this song, like, and he's like describing all those adjectives. I guess this song was like he's talking about sex. This song's like a sex song. But the way he's producing it, man. Like this is smooth. I ain't gonna lie, this is a groove. Run it back a little bit.
This amusement never ends. I wanna be Sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be a sledgehammer.
Oh.
This will be my testimony. Yeah. Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee.
He could be anything you want to be.
Of your fruit cage, where the fruit is sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer.
Call the Sledgehammer.
This can be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it.
Hey, man, like I think this is one of the, like one of the first sex songs. There's not really a lot of sex songs that even song like this, man. Like this is just completely different. Like this song just makes you just want to groove, man. Cause like the instrumentals are like really going ham in the back, man. Like you get a bit of everything in this. Like, man, like this is something different, man. Something unique. This is what I'm talking about right here, man. songs make you want to move, man.
I will show for you. Show for you. Show for me. Show for me. I will show for you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Show for me. Oh, you. You be coming through. I'm gonna feel that power. Feel that power. Come on, help me do. Come on, help me do. I've been feeding the love. I've been feeding the rhythm.
Man, this is probably the first X song I ever heard. I makes just want to groove and vibe out. Oh wait, it's still going. Is that the end of it? I'm not sure. Alright guys, so that was the end of it, man. Like this video was like so completely different and unique, man. I never seen a music video like this before. But I'm not even sure how old this song is. I'm guessing it's from the 70s. I'm not sure. But I gotta say, man, like this song was definitely a jam, man. It was a vibe. It was a groove. Like the song just makes you just want to move, man. I like the way how they came in with it all of a sudden. Like the video like starts off, you know, you like focus and in tune, and all of a sudden like the bass drop, the beat drop, everything come on, and you get like this nice groovy feel to the song. You guys, let me hear your thoughts on this song down below in the comments, or Peter Gabriel as a whole. If you got any more songs by him you want me to check out, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll see you guys really soon, man. It's been your boy Jay. Peace.
Essa daqui é pica, hein?